Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to be a bacon here riding a frog in Meep City. This is kind of like an easy tutorial and I hope you're going to enjoy it. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to body and hit bundles. You're going to choose the man package bundle, and now what you're going to do next, and you're going to, just making sure this is correct. Now what you're going to do is you're going to change your body to white. Okay, so I changed my skin to white, so what you're going to do next is go to accessories and hit hair. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to take off the man hair. What you're going to do next is, let me go find it. I don't think it's not there. I'll try to go find it, guys. Okay, guys, I already found it. You can pause the video and look at it to try to find it. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go to shirts, and now you're going to scroll up. And then it's kind of like a motorcycle one. And what you're going to do next is go faces, and then you're going to remove the man hair. Now what you're going to do next is Now what you're going to do next is you're going to go to body, and now you're going to hit left and right leg, doesn't even matter. And you're going to find this, and then you can pause the video if you want to find those legs if you want. Now, once we got them, we're gonna X out of body, and now go to we're gonna go to accessories again. Now you're gonna hit the belt. Now what you're gonna do next is you're gonna search up. If you can't find it, just search up frog. It'll be easier. Whoops! I accidentally add both of them. It can be the short leg or the long leg. It can be whatever you want. I'm going to do the short leg for now. Now you're going to the animations, in the eye, just go straight. You can pause the video if you want to find the animations I got. Okay, once we got that, now the walk, you can pause to find that, and that's how you do it. And I'm going to see you in the next video.